You're on thin ice, dog man, so don't mess this up. Now sit. Stay. You only have one job to do. Keep your eyes on those monitors. So if somebody breaks out your favorite chew toy and waves it around, you look at the monitor. And if somebody has a juicy and delicious treat, you're not going to look at it. You look at the monitor. And if somebody just happens to have an Eastern gray squirrel, you... Dog man, just sit here and don't mess this up, or you'll lose your job.
Dogman, we heard the alarm. Petey!
Brilliant!
Seamus, are you sure about that?
Oh, James Jehonas, Sarah. How hard can it be? Okay, that's left. Here we go.
Don't mess this up, or you'll lose your job.
Super fly, super good, shoulda, coulda, knew I would. Super fly, super fresh. Ask your mama, she's impressed.